first scientist was Griffith. Griffith is a scientist who Griffith is the scientist who studied bacteria, bacteria that cause pneumonia. What is pneumonia? Pneumonia is the infection or inflammation in lungs. The bacteria have two types, S strain and R strain. The smooth bacteria called S strain and the rough bacteria called R strain. S strain bacteria are deadly, they cause death. R strain bacteria not deadly, they don't cause death. So he started to do his experiments on mice. He started to inject a mouse with S strain bacteria. I told you S strain bacteria, yes, deadly bacteria. So what do you expect will happen to the mouse? The mouse will die. So actually the mouse died. After that, he got R strain bacteria and he started to inject the mouse with R strain bacteria. What did I tell you about R strain bacteria? Yeah, R strain bacteria are not deadly. So what will happen to the mouse? The mouse stayed alive. The mouse didn't die. Okay. He said, let's kill S strain bacteria and inject the mouse with heat killed S strain. You know, using heat kills most or many types of bacteria. So he started to get S strain bacteria and he killed the S strain bacteria with heat, and he got the heat killed bacteria and injected the mouse. What do you expect to happen? Do you think that the mouse will die or the mouse will stay alive? Yes, obviously the mouse will stay alive. The mouse didn't die. Very good. Actually, the mouse didn't die because the bacteria already killed S strain, but heat killed. So he got the heat killed S bacteria and mixed the heat killed S bacteria with R strain bacteria. Okay? And he started to inject the mouse with the mixture of heat killed S strain and R strain bacteria. R strain bacteria are not killed. So what do you expect to happen? Do you think the mouse will die or the mouse will stay alive? Actually, he got surprised. The mouse died. What does it mean? It means that there is a transformation occurred for R strain bacteria. Instead of being harmless or instead of being not deadly, now the R strain bacteria are deadly. Why? There is transformation, and the material that caused this transformation is called transforming principle. From where do you think this new information came to the R strain bacteria? Of course, the mixture was heat killed S strain with R strain bacteria. So, of course, there is certain transforming principle or certain genetic material had been transferred from the S bacteria to the R bacteria. So, what was his observation? His observation was there is transformation occurred. What was his conclusion? He said there is a certain transforming principle or genetic material. Till now, they didn't know what is the transforming principle. Let's see the other scientist who started to test the transforming principle. He started to get the purified transforming principle, purified and isolated Griffith transforming principle, and he started to do many tests on the transforming principle to make sure what is this transforming principle. What's the nature of this transforming principle? This scientist called Avery. Avery isolated and purified Griffith's transforming principle, as I told you, and he started to do many types of tests. The first test is called qualitative tests. Qualitative tests to show whether the DNA was present or not, and he found that there is DNA in the transforming principle. Second, he started to do many chemical tests to find out the chemical makeup of the transforming principle. Will the chemical makeup match proteins? Will the chemical makeup match DNA or carbohydrates or any other matter? But actually, he found that the DNA or the transforming principle chemical makeup matched the DNA. What does it mean? He found that the ratio between nitrogen and phosphorus in the transforming principle exactly was like the ratio of nitrogen and phosphorus in the DNA. This is the chemical makeup. Then he started to get enzymes to destroy the DNA. What do you think will happen if he destroyed the DNA in the transforming principle? Will transformation occur? According to your knowledge now, yes, I do know that the DNA is the genetic material, so of course transformation will occur. But actually, as I told you at that time, they didn't know what is the genetic material. He started to destroy the DNA and he was surprised that the transformation didn't occur. What does it mean? It means that the DNA is the transforming principle or the genetic material. Then he started to get enzymes or to put enzymes that destroy the proteins with keeping the DNA. What do you think will happen after destruction of proteins? According to your knowledge now, you will tell me, of course, transformation will occur because proteins are not the genetic material. So actually, he found that the DNA still present after destruction of the proteins and transformation occurred without proteins. So of course, the DNA is the genetic material.